Down an empty freeway, no waiting for the light to change.
Hi guys, well I'd just like to do a little plug for this, my new anchor. It's called the Boomer All-Terrain Anchor. We've just been out around the islands the Whitsundays for a couple of days, anchoring in rubble and sand and that at night, and it's been really good. It's an exceptional anchor. So the Boomer here is on the front. It's very well designed, and it's got some really good features. So this boat, it's a Sequest 3000. When fully loaded, it weighs 4.5 tonne, and I can assure everyone that it's been really adequate, better than adequate actually. It's held us really nicely. There's a bit of a storm last night. So to all you boaties out there, I encourage you to get on the website, have a look at the Boomer All-Terrain Anchor, and get one and get on out there, because it's very reliable, and I can't recommend it even more. Thank you.
Of a future